guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here. It's an opportunity for you guys to wish for songs and for me to bring them up for you. So now, Big Russ, are you with us? You wished for a song here from BoyWithUke featuring Powfu called Contigo. So this one is special for you, Big Russ, and for all you Powfu BoyWithUke fans. So a lot of bigs and boys and everything else in between. So yeah, this one is for you. So let's start with this song. This is actually a kind of ukulele song, obviously, but we'll try to do it on guitar. And for that, we need to set our capo high up here on the 7th fret to match up with the sound, this high note. And we have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. So let's look at the chords first. We have F, so that is a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So that is the order of the chords. And we will have one strumming pattern through the entire song. So that is the last thing we're gonna learn here. And then the rest is just a highway from beginning till the end, playing the same way. So the strumming pattern is pretty long. We will play the F as the first chord. So let's illustrate the strumming with this F. So one round will sound like this. Yeah, so again. Okay, so it starts with down, 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 up. Okay, down, 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 up. Okay, that's the first part, and then it continues up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's basically 3 up and downs plus our last up in the end. So it starts with up, down, up, down, up, down, 3 times like that, and ends with an extra up. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It will be like this. That is one round. When it's on tempo, it will be like this. All right. Some technique stuff here to get some extra out of it. Since this is a ukulele song, you can get that extra ukulele feeling if you work a little bit with the muting. That means when you do the downs and ups, we'll try to avoid to let the downs and ups ring out too much. Cause a standard guitar like this, or this is even a smaller guitar, actually, but yeah, a guitar has a bigger sound than a ukulele. That means that the strings ring out more. So that is why it sounds a little bit different also. So to get as close as possible to the ukulele, you can try to work with your left hand here, you're holding the chords with, to take it off in between. So to really kind of kill the sound and get this ukulele feeling where everything kind of stops for a while. So you can do that in these places. When you play down, 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 you quickly just lift off a little bit and play the down up. and then lift off again, and then you fulfill it with all these ups and downs till the end there. So slowly I can demonstrate. It sounds like this. Lift up, then lift up, and then. So that is some extra thing you can do to try to get close to the ukulele sound. So one round could sound like this. It's perhaps hard to hear, but if you play this song, all these chords and all this strumming, you will get this feeling a little bit more prominent, this ukulele feeling, if you work with that a little bit. So that's just some extra technique stuff right there. So with this chord progression, F, C, G, and A minor, it will sound like this. And that is what you're gonna do for the entire song. So that pretty much covers Contigo. So I hope you enjoy this big Russ. Stay with us and everything else that rhymes on Russ. So yeah, it's for you and for all the other fans. So hope you enjoy it, and like always, play tuned.